Welcome back. These days, most of the people you support won't be sitting next to you. They'll be on another floor, in another city, or working from home. So remote support is a daily skill, and doing it well means more than just knowing the tools. It means consent, security, and trust. In this lesson, you'll learn the categories of remote tool and exactly how to run a session that's safe, professional, and reassuring for the user. Let's set the scene. Most support today is remote. The user is rarely at a desk you can walk to. That makes remote support tools, and the etiquette around them, a skill you'll use every single day. Used well, they let you fix in minutes what would otherwise need a whole site visit. But used carelessly, they create real security and trust problems. So we'll focus as much on how you conduct yourself as on which buttons you press. Remote tools fall into a few broad groups. Remote control tools let you both see and operate the user's screen and mouse, as if you were sitting there, which is best for hands-on troubleshooting. Screen sharing lets you see what the user sees while they do the driving, which is great for sensitive screens and for teaching. And remote command tools let you run commands or push fixes to many machines at once, often without interrupting anyone. The skill is matching the tool to the task. Don't take full control when just watching them click would do. Here's the non-negotiable rule: consent comes first, always. Before you connect to anyone's machine, get their consent and explain what you're about to do. It's both basic courtesy and a genuine privacy and security requirement. Look at the script. It explains there'll be a prompt, that you can't connect unless they accept, and crucially that they can see everything and take back control at any time. Reassuring the user they stay in control is exactly how you build trust over a remote link. Sometimes you shouldn't connect at all. Maybe the screen has sensitive data, maybe the tool isn't available, or maybe teaching the user pays off so they can do it themselves next time. In those cases, you guide them verbally. The real skill here is giving one clear instruction at a time, and confirming each step before moving on. Notice in the example how it waits for the user to confirm they see the menu before giving the next instruction. Slow, single steps stop the user racing ahead and getting lost. A remote session is privileged access, so treat it with real care. First, verify identity, confirm you're actually helping the right person. Second, never ask for their password out loud or in chat, because you should never need it. Third, keep the user present and aware of what you're doing throughout. And fourth, don't go opening personal files or anything unrelated to the issue. These habits protect the user, protect you, and keep an auditable, professional standard for every session. One step beginners often forget: ending the session cleanly. When you're done, disconnect fully and tell the user the session has ended. This matters for two reasons. First, security: you want no lingering access remaining on their device. And second, trust: it visibly reassures the user that you've stepped away and are no longer watching their screen. A leftover, half-open session is both a security risk and a quiet erosion of the trust you worked to build. Always close the loop. Let's bring the choices together. For a quick hands-on fix, remote control is ideal. For a sensitive screen, or when you want the user to learn, guide them verbally instead. And when you need to fix many machines at once, remote command tools are the way. The guiding principle behind all of this is least access: use the minimum level of access needed to do the job. That keeps sessions efficient, respects the user's privacy, and limits risk. It's a habit good technicians carry everywhere. Let's recap. Most support is remote, so the etiquette matters as much as the tools. Get consent first, always, and reassure the user they stay in control. Verify identity, never ask for passwords, keep the user aware, and end every session cleanly. Your task: write the spoken script you'd use to start a remote control session with a nervous, non-technical user who's reluctant to let you connect. include consent, reassurance, one security point, and how you tell them the session's ended. See you in the next lesson.